So you haven't started an ATM business yet because you think it's going to tie you down. You want to go on vacation and not worry about things. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So I'm Carey Buck, been an independent ATM business owner since 2009 and ATM business mentor since 2011. If you'd like me to help you or if you'd like to learn more about the ATM business, click the link in the bio, atmtrainingvideo.com. All right, here's the thing, guys. You obviously haven't been paying attention to me if you think having an ATM business will tie you down, right? Maybe you are like, my God, I want to travel with my wife and my kids. Like, I don't want to be tied down by an ATM, right? If that's what you're thinking, this video is for you, right? Because you're not paying attention, quite honestly, okay? So if you've paid attention to me, last month in May, I was in Florida for 2 weeks. 1 week, my wife and I were playing in a pickleball tournament, and the other week, my wife was playing in a pickleball tournament, and I was refereeing. I'm trying to hold on to my 40s as long as I can, guys. That's a senior tournament. You have to be 50 to play in it, so I don't play, but I referee. So anyways, 2 weeks we were away, okay, playing in pickleball tournaments in Florida. But guess what? We still own an ATM business. Our ATM still made us money. Everything was fine. And then coming up, I don't know when you're going to be seeing this video, but coming up, we're going to Las Vegas for a week, Saturday to Saturday, okay? So the ATM business doesn't stop you from living your life. It doesn't tie you down. It does the exact opposite. It does the exact opposite. It gives you more free time. It gives you more time to go on vacation and do things with your family, right? You just have to know what to do in those instances. You got to plan for it, okay? So you could have your business set up where the business owner fills your ATM. You can have your business set up where a cash vaulter fills your ATM, right? You can have your business set up where a service like Brinks fills your ATM. You definitely don't want to do that starting out. But if you don't want to do all those things, and I highly recommend you don't do those things to start, right? All you got to do is plan better, right? So this is what you do. For instance, we're leaving Saturday, and we're going to be gone until Saturday, right? It's Thursday right now when I'm making this video. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to figure out how much money I need to put in these ATMs to last me until we get back from vacation. So check this out. Okay, so all you got to do is look at the data, right? So you log in here, and then you want to go to your reports, right? And then we pick our ATM that we want to do. And we pick our ATM that we want, and then we pick the date. So we're gonna, it's the 22nd right now. This is when I'm gonna fill these machines. We're gonna be going the 25th to the 2nd, right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, right? However, I'm filling all these machines on the 23rd, okay? So I want them to last from the 23rd until, quite honestly, this is messing me up right here. I want them to last from the 23rd until, man, why does that look like that? That is really screwing me up. So I want them to last from June 23rd until July 5th, right? So what I want to do is I want to go basically look at that time frame up here. So this would be the 2nd to the 14th. So the 2nd to the 14th, and I want to see how much money that ATM went through. Okay, 3660 from June 2nd to July 14th. Okay, so I know if I put, I'll probably put more in. I'll probably put $5,000 in there just to be safe. Okay, that makes sense? So I'm going to put that in my notes. Like, I'm going to put in my notes that this particular ATM, I need to put 5K in it, right? Because I normally don't put 5K in it. And then I do that with, actually, I don't think I have any other machines on this particular, oh yeah, I do. hold on. Same dates, June 2nd to June 14th. How much does this one go through? Oh, 1760, nothing. But here's the thing with this one's further away, so I put a lot more in it, so I don't have to come fill it often. So I'm probably gonna drop 5K in that one as well. Now, we just continue to do that with every single ATM. I'll show you one more. Now this one's going to be a lot, just so you guys know. But I just want you to see a different one as well. Okay. Actually, we'll do two more, because I know the two I want to show you. Okay, so again, let's go June 2nd to June 14th. Right? We don't need to show the surcharge. We want to show the amount that's spent. That's all we care about right now. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. Went to 12,760. So I'll probably put 15,000 in this just to be safe. All right, so let me show you one more. Now this one I'm going to put a lot in anyway, but I just want to make sure that what I put in it is going to be sufficient. Okay, June 2nd to June 14th. This one goes through $8,600. Perfect, because I'm going to put 15,000 in this one. And you're probably like, what? Why are you going to put 15 grand in that? Well, it's because it's far. So this one and that other one I showed you that went through like I think 1,700, but I told you I was going to put 5 grand in it. Those are in PA, right? So I don't want to fill those every week, right? These other ones are closer to me. I fill once a week. These guys I don't want to fill every week. So this one I generally put up to 15 grand, and that other one I generally put up to 5 grand. And so now I add this to my notes too, and the normal amount I put in here will be just fine. And that's how you do it. You literally just plan. You plan to go on your vacations. You want to take a month vacation, you just plan to put enough cash in for a month. You want to take a week, you plan to put enough cash in for a week, okay? So there's zero reason that you should not start an ATM business because you think you're going to be tied down. Again, it's the complete opposite. It's the complete opposite. All right. Listen, in the description, I'm going to put some other videos that I think you should watch because they'll be helpful for you. All right. And again, if you'd like me to help you, go to the link in the description. I'd be more than happy to help you. Also, to help you learn a little bit more about the ATM business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Any questions, comments, ideas for future videos, put them below. All right. Carey Buck signing off. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. And may you live happily off of passive income.